So we've come back to Dar Restaurant tonight. Going to shoot another little video. I came here with my friends Lou.
Yeah, just keen for a feed,
and
mate.
Reem.
Where's the food
Say
at?
hi.
Oh yeah, it's Luke here. We got Dream. The girl of my dreams.
But they actually, yeah.
No. We'll go 55. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
Because I don't need.
Okay.
So we're back with Chef Dar. I brought my friends tonight, and they've ordered lobster and several other dishes, some vegetable dishes. So what are we making?
This is the vegetable. It's all this the fresh cuts, the same, you know, curry powder and broccoli, carrot, and snow bean, and then baby corn.
Baby corn.
Yeah, here. You know, it's very so simple cutting because I cut every day. It's morning glory.
Morning
this is
glory.
The portion, yes. Okay, here. See. We also do the same.
So I've never seen morning glory in the United States. Is that something that's? But I think I've seen it in Taiwan.
Yeah, everyone calls someone called Spanish water.
Watercress.
Yeah, watercress, something like that. You know, but this one we have to add sugar and oyster sauce.
Dar, do you put sugar in everything?
Yeah, but a little bit, not much.
Yeah, not too much.
Yeah, but you can taste, you know. But I don't have something like monosodium glutamate because I need the sugar to be deduct.
Okay.
Salty and sweety to go combination.
Yeah.
Yeah, and make very good taste. And then for the morning curry, you know, I use this for the beans. You know, here is the soybean paste from in Thai brand.
In Thai brand.
Yeah. Okay, a little bit. That's it.
Okay, that looks good.
Here, that's it.
And does that have a little saltiness to it?
Pardon me?
Does soybean paste, is it a little bit salty?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
that's why I have to add a little bit sugar.
Okay.
And then how many chili you request? One?
How many what?
Two? One?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Two? Okay. And then this is...
My taste buds are growing up. I'm out of kindergarten now.
Kindergarten plus? Okay. And this one for the tiger prawn? Okay, here.
Wow.
That one 420 pounds.
Oh my God.
Then this one is lobster.
10 grams.
Here.
Wow.
We show your face first.
Okay.
We make this for we break the chili here.
What is this?
Chili. We
Ah.
break in this one here. Okay, here and a little bit garlic here.
Garlic.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this. It's done. Now we wait and then we will cook everything together. We wait for the tiger prawn few minutes because this one I cook only 5 minutes. It's done.
Okay.
Oops. Here. For the normal one.
Where do you get your seafood?
The seafood I get from market, and the market get from the local pier here to delivery to the market. I buy with the man maybe 10 years already.
Okay.
They know
Very fresh.
Yeah, he know exactly what I need. Yeah,
Okay.
no need to talk like okay we need that. Okay. ใส่รากผักชีนะหนูแล้วก็ตำเลย This one we make for how can I say steamed lobster with garlic and chili.
Okay.
Now it's with 55%.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Okay.
It's for the
And this is the lobster.
Yeah, here we cut this and then cut this and then over here.
Now is this a farmed lobster or
Yeah,
it's
this
wild
is
caught?
from the ocean lobster. I ordered the lobster from Phuket. It's not here.
Okay.
Yeah, because here we can't get the lobster.
Yeah, Phuket is the other ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the water is very clean. You see the meat?
Oh, wow, yeah.
See? It's not smell. Not the sea smell. And the meat is so nice. I love to cook these dishes. It's my favorite. Yes, to be honest. Every time I cook him, should be interesting because sometimes it's easy to get it out. Sometimes it's not easy to get him out. We need the whole meat, something like here. Okay. And or we have to clean with the water part because we don't know how if they have any bacteria in or something.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I can smell the chilies over here.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. That all my homemade curry place from that one.
Where do you get your chilies?
Pardon me?
Where do you get your chilies?
My chili from also from the market.
Now what, this is the green curry.
Yeah.
What is green curry made from?
Okay, the green curry made from this chili. I will tell you. Give me need a thing. Okay, we need this one. The green chili
Ah, and,
here.
Oh, okay.
Here and then.
But that's not very spicy, is it?
It is.
Oh, it
but
is
we
a
need
little-
the color to have him here.
Ah,
But
okay.
this one not spicy, but the color
Okay.
is so nice. But
So
this
the
one
two of them
spicy.
together make the green
Yeah,
curry.
yeah.
Okay.
And then
And
we
yellow curry is made with turmeric.
Yes. And you know this one we make with the green curry.
Ah,
Also
all of
here.
all of these
Yeah.
ingredients go in
Yeah.
the green curry. What
Yeah.
is this one
You
in the
know
front?
kalanga, and then kalanga.
What is kalaka?
I don't know, but everyone say kalanga.
Oh, it's like ginger?
Yeah, something like that, but different smell. You can try them. You know?
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, and then
then
red onion.
I know, you know this lemongrass.
Yeah, it's like a green onion.
Oh
Right?
no, lemongrass.
Okay, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I will bring you once. And you smell.
Oh,
You know?
very pungent.
Yeah, it's so nice, so good smell.
Show me what you've done.
Okay, we have this, you know, for steam.
Okay, and then
Here.
you'll dress the lobster in that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we wait when the shell is change the color, and we will put the meat in. We
Ah,
can put at the same time because it's too heavy, not the crunchy at all.
yeah.
This is the trick. Okay, we have to make double, one this side and then one in this side.
Okay.
Jay, you can see this is green. When it's ready, they will change to the yellow one.
Ah,
It's the
okay.
beautiful color. For the lemon, garlic, and chili, every time I use fish sauce and then sugar or in, and this is the stock.
Okay, and that's
The
fish
homemade-
sauce?
Fish sauce and then sugar and then water, drinking water.
Uh-huh.
Here. And then we add this one, Jay. What our machine is made for here.
Oh, that's a lot of chili.
Yeah.
It's gonna
A
kill
little
me.
bit. But you know, you can smell so nice. And we need more. มะนาว3 ลูกค่ะ
I think that's gonna be very spicy.
Yeah, we need more. We need ลูก
Is this college now?
ค่ะ
Are we in college now with this?
No, not
We're not
yet.
in kindergarten anymore.
Yeah.
Now
No,
we're in
not
college.
kindergarten, yes. And this one is junior high school.
Junior high. Okay,
Yeah.
now we're in junior high.
Yeah. Enjoy your meal, my dear guests.
We start to fit.
Here. Yeah, we boil now. We boil. You see this one?
Mm-hmm.
You know, we have to cut in this line.
Ah, I see.
You see? Yeah. Here.
Yeah, I see.
It's not stole all the flavor, but the meat very crunchy. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
crispy and crunchy. Even you go to steam him. Now we wait, and then we come back to look here inside Jay. You see, it's the magic. The shell is
yeah.
changing.
The color
here.
is changing. Yeah.
You see, nice. And then now we put him to here. Every time I use my hand, so sorry. See here. Okay, piece by piece over here. Now it's steam. I don't
Okay.
know how everyone do, but when I say okay, steam should be everything steam. Okay. Now it's look perfect, Jay. Here. One by one.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Look nice.
Yeah.
It's already cooked. Now we cook another dishes at the same time.
Right.
All the same. Okay. Okay. Here. A little bit rice oil. Here. And here. Now is the heat enough? We add shrimp. Here.
Okay. You already had that. You already had that wok hot.
Yeah.
These woks are already hot.
Yeah.
Okay. There goes the morning glory.
Yeah.
Okay. A little spicy sauce.
Yeah. รู้เลยนะ ยกไปทั้งหม้อเลยลูก A little bit water here ใส่เนื้อกุ้งมังกรไปแล้วนะบีค่อยๆยกออก ใส่ตาลปลานึ่งมะนาวจ้ะ We low a little bit fire, we low the heat, and then now, you see, now it's looking good. Okay, done. Everything all the same. Here, all is the sauce. Done. And then water. You can see it's my food not too oily because I use much more water. Water more than oil. And then now we slowly cook because of the vegetable. Now this is done, and now we go back to taste. We see Jay here. Now it's a little bit like see. Nice.
Nice. Nice, spicy.
Nice. The stock we used before, and then now we boil him already. The last thing we add the lime here.
Lime.
Yeah,
lime juice. Okay. And
And
then
then
here's the lobster.
Yeah. And then we try to here.
That's going to be very spicy,
Put some my tea.
even though it's junior high.
Yeah. You smell?
Oh yeah.
I
can
want
smell.
everyone smell past the camera. It is.
I want to real try to come to that.
It is the how we say
Decoration. Yeah.
decoration.
Presentation.
Yeah, presentation. Okay. You even see. I think I have enough more chili. Don't add it in. Anyway. Oh, this is done.
Let's go. That's it.
Yeah.
The Lord get
Wow.
Have to set up a little bit.
Now we are a little bit presentation. Oh
Ah.
wow! The light is coming.
Electricity, come on.
I use the solar cell. That's why. Okay, here another one is missing. Oh, okay.
Okay, only 3 minutes.
Super.
เอาเหลือเนื้อ
Yeah.
แล้วก็กระเทียม
Oh,
Have one more
we
beef
have
here.
one more
Chicken
beef.
flavor.
Ning.
Epic.
Okay.
Wow,
The
mate.
glass.
Yeah. Yeah, good man. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
everything made completely fresh, all fresh ingredients.
Wow.
One more beef
This looks
coming นะครับ
awesome, mate.
Okay, so we've got this wonderful meal.
Outstanding.
Lobster, morning glory, prawns.
We got Aussie beef, mate. Like, can't get any better than that. Let's give this a go.
Take a taste of something and tell me what you think.
Alright, let's try this one. That's sensational, mate. Like, really, really good. That's really well cooked, mate.
Thank you very much.
That's
Enjoy your
perfect.
meal.
Thank you, mate. That's
See you
fantastic.
for next menu.
If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.